Today's clip shows the importance of not just using the road markings, but using the road signs as well. The car to watch is the red one in the left lane. The car is wanting to go straight on and only start signalling here. If they'd have looked at this sign on their left, they'd have been able to tell this a lot earlier and started to work at getting in the correct position. Instead, I believe they were road watching and only spotted this road marking here. And in these road conditions, it can make the road markings even harder to see. I know this piece of road well. I understand that a lot of people make this same mistake, hence the big gap between myself and the vehicle in front, just to help anyone out who hasn't quite caught on early enough. If you know the area and know it gets a bit complicated, leave extra room and help out those people who may not know it as well as you do. Don't close the gap, leave it open. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and tune into my driving tip clips playlist for more.